I think that your most important stuff to know in Pro Tools are those shortcuts, because it's going to give you the speed, especially when you're with a client and they might want to comp as they go. Okay, they might want to cut the first verse and then they're going to fix it in the moment, and then they want you to dice it up and fly those up to the main track right away. And there's a lot of little tricks that you can do that fast, and if you can do that fast for them, they want to keep you. They're
going to call you back again. Absolutely.
Yeah. And there's been, when I was learning that at the studio in the first month when I was figuring that out, I was literally listening to an interview with a big rock star who I won't name, but he was making a record and he pointed out how fast his engineer was at comping globals, and that's why he loves working with the guy. Okay, and literally unprompted, he brought that up, which tells you that that's very common with the artists. So if you become that to the artist, you're going to work, and then that brings more work in studio flourishes, your career gets better. So that those commands that let you fly around Pro Tools real quick seem like they're just options, but they're really not, and that's something I'm working on all the time.
And there's no real standard to that. I mean, there's no real standard to the quick keys. There's usually 3 or 4 ways to do what you're going to do.
Yes,
with the quick keys. You find the way that's comfortable for you, and you do it that way.
Mm-hmm.
I don't try to focus on. I don't try to have my students do it my way, because it might be uncomfortable for them to do it that way. So as long as they get it done, that's the trick. Get it done and get it done quick.